Chipotle, CMG stock, finally. Let's have a look at it. Stock on Friday, it closed at 17.55, give or take. And right away, I want to disclose that on Friday, I traded this stock. I was bearish. I saw the stock was making lower lows. I bought a put right at that, I think it was around 1770-ish levels. I traded 1760. So basically, I was a little bit impatient with it and sold for, I don't know, like $40 profit. So it was only one contract. Could have sold it for more that I initially thought that I could have made like $500-600 on this one, but that's all right. Let's have a look. 1 year chart, and you can guess that at the moment, for me, this chart is still looking bearish. Why? Well, it still has a support right here at 1740. That's the level I will watch. But if I zoom out to, okay, let's bring up moving averages first. As you can see on my screen, there are three lines, right? We have red line, 200-day moving average. Purple is 100-day moving average. Yellow is 50-day SMA. Anytime 50-day SMA starts rolling over, going down like this, or downtrending, I am cautious with bullish bets, because I don't like to make a bullish bet when 50-day is downtrending. So that's one indicator. All right. Of course, here it started holding that 100-day moving average, and it started popping off this level, but we slipped below these levels. And I do think that the solid support for Chipotle, CMG, would be somewhere here at 200-day moving average. If we do, of course, slip below these 1740-ish levels. All right. Also, what about let's take a look at weekly chart. On a weekly chart, you can see that was a big down week. All right. What about monthly chart? If you look at the monthly chart, well, these candles could be telling you a lot. 3 months is in a row, basically, after this 3 months ramp up, pretty much moved after earnings really, really good, and then started coming down slowly. That's okay. It's profit taking. It could be anything. It doesn't trade with great volume, right? It's a very, very thin volume mover, basically. What else we can take a look? MACD, and also the volume bars, and also the option activity. So if you look at the MACD, it's to the downside. We got this bearish crossover here. All right. And also, if we bring up the volume profile, look at this. Do you see this huge gap right here that after earnings it made? Well, it didn't trade with much of a volume, so it did move with a thin volume to that level. Well, guess what? If it slips below this level, looks like exactly right there, 1740. Well, there's not much of a support all the way till here, even till its stock hits 1550-ish levels. But I do think that 200-day moving average somewhere up here at 1620-ish levels can act as a support. But again, it hasn't slipped below this level. Okay, that level will be support, 1540. Definitely we can see some green days. But if it does roll over, I'm bearish. So a lot of people ask me to take a look at this name, and I usually don't look at the names that I am trading at that time, because people think that I'm biased and I'm just pretty much advertising my position. But I don't go in with a lot of size, all right? I just go in with a couple $100, and I try to squeeze a few hundred percentages. So, well, that's Chipotle. What about the option activity on Friday? Let's cover that. 4,000 calls, 4,400 calls, 4,000 puts. Nothing happened pretty much. Not a popular stock to trade options. So I think that's all I can say about this name. And I eat a lot at Chipotle. Even yesterday when I closed my position, I straight went to grab a lunch at Chipotle. Almost maybe 3-4 times a week I grab a Chipotle here in Seattle. So I love them, but stock at the moment is not pretty much doing nothing for the past 3 months or so, and it's been coming down. It's in a downtrend for me, basically. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.